How light and cheap can you go with an RC aeroplane? I found this balsa wood and plastic foam model on AliExpress. They say it flies very smoothly, and indeed it's very light, and for just under €8 it took just 1 hour to assemble, and indeed it flies well as a glider. But does it retain this behavior when motorized? We shall see. So here it is, with a 7500 kV motor, powered by a single cell high voltage battery, a 1S ESC and a classic Fly Sky receiver. The construction is extremely minimal, just a frame wrapped in film, and two 1.7 gram nano servos for the control surfaces. The final takeoff weight is just 51 grams. Will it fly? Will it not? Onwards to the testing field. Nice to hear that motor beeping. Rudder check. Elevator check. We are go. And it flies very fast as expected, because its small wings don't produce much lift. Weird tendencies in flight and an unknown glide ratio, so let's land it.
No!
And it had to be in the tarmac. Thankfully no damage. On this second flight I'm more used to its flying characteristic, and it's pretty much it. Cannot perform aerobatics at all. And I would not say it's a beginner-friendly airplane, but it's pocket-friendly. The total cost could be around €30, and it also proves anything flies, provided it has enough power to weight ratio and a center of gravity in the right position.